Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah. In this short video, we're going to cover how to use Anki in order to learn formulaic phrases in Arabic. So formulaic phrases are sentences that are often used in a language. So in English, examples of this would be in conclusion, in other words, these days, for the sake of, and the list goes on. So these types of sentences that are often said by English speakers. So anybody who's trying to learn a language, regardless of what that language may be, that person should make sure to learn these formulaic phrases that are often used by native speakers of that language. So inshallah, in this video, we're going to cover how to do this with the Arabic language. So first and foremost, someone would need to download Anki. And Anki is pretty much a digital flashcard system that tracks when you're most likely going to forget something and then reminds you to study that thing. And it can be used on Windows, Macs, on Linux, iOS, Android, on any device really. So it's very portable, it's very simple, it's very straightforward, and it's very powerful. So once someone has downloaded Anki to their device, then that person will go to Google and would type Anki shared decks. The first thing that will come up is what you would click. And here you're going to have a search bar. So here you're able to access the different decks that people have created and shared on the web, on the cloud, in order for other people to benefit from. So we're going to come here to the search bar and write formulaic phrases, IQA. When we click search, the first thing that comes up is the deck that we're going to be using. And here we have over 100 of the most commonly used formulaic phrases in the Arabic language. So things like bi'asriha, which means as a whole. Inta bi al-amr, which means I ended up. Bil kamil, which means in full. So these are very common phrases, very common expressions that you're going to have to learn if you want to speak Arabic fluently. Now, these formulaic phrases and expressions are in Fusha Arabic, classical Arabic, but they're going to be useful regardless of whatever dialect you may be learning. So if we go down here, we click download, that's going to open up in our Anki. Okay, boom. So now if we come over here and we go to this deck, formulaic phrases, and let's say we click study now, we're going to see examples of how this would work. So we have, for example, once again, how would you say that in the Arabic language? You would say marratan ukhra. So we have the actual sentence, the meaning of it, and the example. Masmuka marratan ukhra. What is your name again? Okay. Moving on to the second one. What about? ماذا عن? حسنا ماذا عن غد? All right. What about tomorrow? في المقابل, in return. ولم تستفد من أي شيء في المقابل, and you did not benefit from anything in return. So this is how this would help you in learning the expressions and the phrases and the idioms even that Arabs use in their daily speech that will help you in speaking like a native Arabic speaker. Now, in terms of a lengthy explanation on how Anki works and the different settings and all those things, there are already many different videos and different tutorials on YouTube that will be much better than anything I can produce. So I recommend you just type in YouTube Anki tutorial if you want to understand better how to actually use the app in all of its various settings and so on and so forth. So I hope this was clear, and I hope inshallah this will help you in your journey of learning the Arabic language.